Hello, I'm Thomas Reed. I live here at Wagon Farm, Seaton, Devon. I'm a fourth generation dairy farmer. Yeah, we're milking 300 cows with 5 Lely A4s, 5 collectors and 1 Juno working on the farm. The Juno is doing about 12 to 14 routes a day, keeping the silage in front of the cows at the feed fence, allowing constant feeding for the cows, keeping it fresh. It runs in the day, sort of every couple of hours, and in the sort of later in the night and into the early morning, running more often, keeping that last bit of silage up close for the cows. We needed to invest in automation because our milking parlour had been running for about 47 years. We took the decision to go to the A4 robots. That was a step that had to be done, and it lent itself well. There is a shortage of good staff, trying to find staff, so that has saved a lot there. The Juno has also worked really well. It's consistency as well for the cow. Consistency to the day for their routine has really been a big advantage for all the automation we do. The Juno has got a charging station. It's set off on a route which is entered into its system. Following ultrasonic sound and metal strips in various places where needed. It will travel up and down the feed fence, pushing the silage in closer to the cow. We've got 3 different routes. Each route is gradually getting closer to the feed fence depending on the amount of silage in front of the cow. So first thing in the morning, you're just doing a bit of a tidy up sweep, whereas sort of last thing at night and later into the early hours of the morning, it's doing a really close one to keep that last bit of silage really tight to the cow. The Lely Juno's brought a lot of reliability to our silage being pushed up, and it just takes away the whole staff. Is the staff about, is the machine about to push the silage up. We know the job's being done when it's programmed to be done. Yeah, so we got a feeder wagon, trailed feeder wagon. Feed the cows with twice a day. We got someone that comes in the morning and does the mixing and feeds out early, and then we add the extra top up sort of 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I would say initially there's quite a few cows get up for the feeder wagon first thing in the morning, but throughout the day you can see there's not very many cows feeding at some points. Probably allows that timid cow to come up when she wants to and avoid a few other cows. There's plenty of space for them. Before installing the Juno, we relied on a Teleander and a man to push the silage up. You know, if we were busy in the fields in the summer, it probably wasn't being done enough. We would be trying to push it as many times as possible and late at night, but there would be that sort of 5-6 hour window overnight where that silage was not being kept in front of the cows the same, as sort of no one was getting up 2-3 o'clock in the morning to go and do those extra pushes. That would be for us the consistency and the reliability of it, knowing that it's down there doing the job. Yeah, so we upgraded from the Juno 150 to our current Juno. It's got a feature where it can lift the skirt, so there's a lot less wear and tear on the rubber, and it can push left and right, so no journey is sort of wasted when it's travelling up and down a feed fence to get from A to B. So we can utilise the left and the right push with this one, whereas on the previous one we couldn't do that. We spend a lot of time and effort trying to make good quality silage, and when we feed the silage out to the cows, it's important that the Juno keeps it pushed up for good intakes and keeps that silage in front of the cows. So being a 4th generation farmer on this farm, I want the business to thrive and do well for future generations. I think the dream would be to be successful and have happy, healthy cows, to be amongst the best and doing a good job. The Lely automation we've invested in is helping us farm the way we want to.